In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview, your ultimate guide to mastering Tradingview as a beginner. Let's jump right into it. First things first, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Tradingview's website at www.tradingview.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a wide array of products available to you. Tradingview is not just a tool, it's a platform with multiple features aimed at offering you a comprehensive trading experience, whether you're into stocks, forex, crypto, or futures. Now, let's take a look at the community aspect of Tradingview. This platform thrives on collaboration and sharing, so you might find it valuable to engage with other traders. You can browse ideas, strategies, and insights shared by people from around the globe. It's a great way to learn from the experiences and analyses of others, contributing to your growth as a trader. The market section you believe to be full of opportunities. Tradingview offers market data straight from trusted sources, giving you access to stocks, currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and more. This makes it easier to monitor the market activities you're most interested in. If you're someone who loves staying informed about financial markets, this is the place to be. You'll also want to explore the extra features provided by Tradingview. The platform offers tools like scripts for technical analysis, which can be incredibly useful for experienced traders looking to dive deeper into market data. Now, if you're just starting, don't be overwhelmed. It's perfectly fine to start with basic features and gradually move on to the more advanced ones as you build confidence and understanding. To get more hands-on, you can add specific symbols to your watch list. Simply click on the plus sign in the toolbar. This feature allows you to personalize your experience, enabling easy access to the symbols that matter most to you, be it stocks, forex, or even crypto. For this example, let's choose forex. You'll notice a wide range of symbols available: stocks, funds, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, bonds. The list is extensive. As we choose forex, click the plus sign next to your chosen pair or symbol. Let's go with USDJPY for illustration purposes. Once selected, click on Full Chart to get a comprehensive view of your chosen market symbol. This takes you to a detailed chart view where you can analyze data extensively. Here, you're free to add indicators. Indicators are an essential part of technical analysis and can significantly enhance your trading strategies by providing insights into market trends. Additionally, you can use the replay feature. This is particularly useful when you want to backtest a trading strategy by going through historical data. It's like rewinding the markets and watching it play out again to test your ideas. Finally, make use of tools like drawing lines or Fibonacci retracements directly on your chart. These functionalities allow for a deeper technical analysis and can be crucial for identifying potential support and resistance levels or predicting future price movements. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough guide to getting started with Tradingview. Remember, with every use, you'll become more adept at navigating and leveraging the many tools this platform offers. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.